Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Rumi from K-pop Demon Hunter with this outfit and dress and press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, for the hair, you can choose this hair and then you're going to color it with this purple color and then put on this earring, make it this color, and also this one, make it white, and this necklace, make it this gold color. And then you're going to go to this masculine area and put on this top, and you're going to color it with this color, make it metallic. And then I'm going to go to this shoes area and put on this shoes, and we're going to make it white and also gold. For the third selection, you can make it this gold color. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this mesh and we're going to make it white. And then I'm going to go to this jeans area and put on this short jeans and make it this color. And then we're going to make it metallic. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this belt area, put on this belt and make it this color. This is for the color code. And for the second one, make it this color. And also for the third one, and apply the chains. And then you're going to go to the dressing room and select this top. You're going to remove everything but the lace and then make it this color. And then again, we're going to make it metallic for all the selection. Okay, done. And this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.